Hi, my name is Harshit. I am studying 6th class in ZP High School, Narsapuram, SAKN Mandal, YSR district. Today I am going to tell about types of sentences of simple present tense. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. I see a movie. I see a movie. Positive. I don't see a movie. Negative. Do I see a movie? Interrogative. Don't I see a movie? Negative. Interrogative. Why do I see a movie? Double H questions. Why don't I see a movie? Double H question. I see a movie. నేను సినిమా చూస్తాను. I don't see a movie. నేను సినిమా చూడను. Do I see a movie? నేను సినిమా చూస్తానా? Don't I see a movie? నేను సినిమా చూడనా? Why do I see a movie? నేను సినిమా ఎందుకు చూడాలి? Why don't I see a movie? నేను సినిమా ఎందుకు చూడకూడదు? Thanks.